Hi everyone, welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash first impressions on the brand new ABH Riviera palette. Now if you want to see how I made this eyeshadow look, then let's get started. Okay, so going into the palette, I am first going to take the shade Cabana and I'm going to use that as my crease color. Now I am just going to blend this out until I have lightened it up a bit, but it's not like dark and overpowering, just enough to give my crease some definition. Okay, so now for some colors. First I'm going to take the shade Bahamas and I'm going to put that in the crease color, blending that into Cabana to try and really build up the color and just make it really vibrant and a good base for this next shade, which is Cans. Now first I'm going to take this as my outer corner color and I'm just going to blend it out and in and up into the crease along with the Bahamas and Cabana. And over top the rest of my lid, I'm going to take the shade Inheritance and wet it with a little bit of setting spray to really make it shine and pop on my eyelid. Now we are going to go back into the shade Cans and use that to blend the shade Inheritance with the rest of the eye look. So it was the blending first and then the lash line. And now for brow bone highlight, I'm going to take the shade Sales and, like I said, do my brow bone highlight. And now for my mascara duo, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer for my base and the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara in Waterproof Black as my main mascara. Now for highlighter, the best part, I'm going to take the shade Glazed Donut as my highlighter and just swoop that on my cheekbones as well as in my inner corners to top off the eye look. And I will always be applying that on the tip of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And for my lipstick, I'm going to be taking the shade Marsha from the Too Faced 20th birthday celebration lipstick collection as my nice topping off to the look. So I hope you liked it, and now off to my final thoughts. Okay, so that is it for the tutorial. Now as far as the palette goes, I love the packaging. It is very summery and I like how it's not their normal velvet packaging because that gets dirty really easily. I can't clean it and it just looks gross after a while. But since this packaging is like, I don't know, it's almost like kind of like the beach bag material, if you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, love the packaging. I love the name. And then as far as inside of the palette, I love the color selection. These colors work great together. I love how I was able to come up with this eyeshadow look and all the other possibilities that are still in this palette. And the names, I love the names as well. So that is it for this video. Be sure to click the like button if you liked it and subscribe down below by clicking the subscribe button and the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week. One on Mondays, which is MomNMe Day, and on Thursdays, which is either Teen Take or Mom Moment. Be sure to comment down below if you have this palette and if you like it, what your thoughts are. Be sure to follow us on social media, first on Instagram, which is MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004, with me on Pinterest under the same username, and our Snapchat accounts, which is the same MomNMeBeauty, and with me there is no underscore between the N and the 2004. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time in our next MomNMe video. Bye everyone!